Hi J babes, happy new year. As y'all can see, I got my firecracker hair popping. Alright, let's jump right in. Per usual, we are going to begin by spraying our face with the e.l.f. Hydrating Primer Mist, and we are going to fan that, let that dry, and rub that into our skin. Next, we are going to take our eyebrow pencil, and we are going to fill in those brows. We are going to start at the beginning of the brow and just kind of begin that line using broken yet consistent motions and creating a line. And I just kind of follow the natural shape of my brow anyway, and just fill in the spacey areas that are not as full, and I just create a barrier line right around the already shaped, the natural shape of my brow. All right, and then just fill that in, and you are going to do that on both sides. Once that is complete, we are now going to take our spoolie brush, and we are just going to groom those brushes in with that brow pencil just to get that blended well. Next, you are going to take your Fenty Beauty concealer, and you are going to apply it right underneath that brow line. You are then going to take your flat concealer brush, and you are just going to blend that concealer down following the precise line of your brow. Once that is complete on both sides, we are then going to take our Anastasia brow gel, and we are going to groom those brows into place. Once that's done on both sides, we're going to take our base eyeshadow, and this one again is from Ipsy, and I don't know the name of it, but we are going to apply that to the bottom portion of our eyelid on both sides. And next we are going to take our e.l.f. Rose Gold Sunset eyeshadow palette, and we are going to take this darker color, and we are going to apply it to the upper portion of our eyelid right underneath our brow bone, and we're going to do that on both sides. Next, we're going to go to that kind of rosy pink color, and we're going to apply that to the outer portion of that same section, making sure to blend well. Next, you're going to go to that orangey color right next to the rose color, and you're going to apply that in the middle of those two colors and just kind of blend that in on both sides. All right, now we're going to take our concealer again, and we're going to apply just a little bit to the corner portion of our hood. And once you do have that applied, you are then going to look up so that that concealer can get into the crease of your eye. All right. And then you're going to take that flat concealer brush again, and you are going to shape that concealer and make sure that it is blended out really well, and make sure it's smooth and shaped to your liking. And you are going to do that on both sides. Next, we are going to take our Anastasia Glow Kit eyeshadow palette, and we are going to use the color Spectra, and we are going to apply that to the outer portion of where we just made that cut crease. We're then going to take our Spectrum 21 color palette, and we're going to use that bright purple and apply it over the exact same section. Apply as many layers as you need for the boldness you would like on both sides. And we are then going to take our Wet n Wild multi-stick, and we are going to fill in the inner portion. And you are going to do that on both sides. Next, you will take your eyeshadow brush and just kind of blend that in on the edges and that middle line to make sure there's a smooth transition on both sides. Back to the Anastasia palette, we're going to use the color Luna. You're going to take a small eyeshadow brush, and we are just going to pat that into the inner corner on both sides. Next, we're going to take our Wet n Wild Silver Glitter, and we're going to take a small eyeshadow brush, and we are going to apply that to the inner corner of our eye. Since doing this video, I have come to realize that the glitter will go much better if I used a glitter primer first. So I would recommend using a primer or glue before applying glitter. You will have a much smoother application. All right, once that's complete on both sides, we are now going to apply our foundation. And while we're doing that, make sure you go ahead and like this video, click the thumbs up, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell so that you can get notifications and you won't miss out on all this good stuff, okay? All right. Make sure you blend that foundation all the way out. All right. And also be sure to check the description for all product details. All right. Blend that foundation on out all over. Make sure you got a smooth finished look. And guys, I did kind of get some foundation on my camera lens and I didn't realize it, so it's a slight blur and I do apologize. But we are now taking our Fenty concealer, applying it under our eyes and down the bridge of our nose and on the side of our cheeks where we have blemishes. And we're going to take our beauty blender and blend that out. All right, now we're going to take our Absolute New York Pro Bronzer and use that as kind of a soft contour today. I didn't do a heavy contour with this look, mainly because I was rushing. But you're going to blend that all the way out. Next, we're going to put our lashes on. We're going to take our bonding glue for application for these. We're going to pull those lashes off the tray. Take the one you're going to use the shorter end and put it in the corner, inner corner of the eye. Apply the bonding glue to the strip. Let it dry and get, not dry completely, but let it get kind of tacky. Taunt the eye and then apply. Taunt the eye and then apply. All right, being very careful, making sure that you are following that line of your original natural lashes. And making sure that that lash is in its proper place. Next, you can go back in and apply mascara to make sure that your lashes are blending well with the lashes you just applied. And now we're going to add our eyeliner to the bottom of our eye for this look. All right. Next, we're going to take our pineapple lip gloss from the Cosmetic Cafe. And we're going to apply that before our Wet n Wild chocolate mink lipstick. We are also going to take our Burt's Bees lipstick and apply that as well for kind of a pink tint. All right. This highlighter that we're going to apply, I got this from Ipsy as well, so I don't know the name of that either. But we are going to apply that to our brow bones, down the bridge of our nose, and blend that out. That is my complete look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Happy New Year, and I'll see you soon.